she was smiling, roses blooming in her cheeks. In a quiet kind of litany, she accepted some defeat. And then she trod into the arms of disgrace and then repelled. Now she's fallen to her knees, which you couldn't ever tell. And then she asked me how we got here. I told her I don't know. And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted, it isn't what you need. Oh, let them keep on talking, just calm yourself and don't you pay them any mind. Don't you pay them any mind. You know this happens every time. Why don't you pay them? Let the burdens of her mother will like sandbags on the eyes that she closes just to open as the sirens rambling by. And now she's off to tell a secret to a friend somewhere in town. And her friend just takes a moment, and that's why I'm not around. Darling, this is something I should have told you long ago. I just want you to feel safe, I just want